Hi there, welcome to our channel Free Tech. In this video, we will talk about how to set OneDrive for Windows 11. So for this, go to Google and search for OneDrive, and here you will get the install option. As I already installed the app, so I'm getting this open in app option. Click on install. It will take few seconds to install and open the app. Now sign in with your Microsoft account. Okay, so once you're logged in, this is the interface. Now over the left side, if I give you some introduction, so there we have the home option, then we have my files, then we have photos, then we have shared media, and then we have recycle bin. So also if you browse files for people, you will find it in people. Next we have the setting on the top right corner, and then we have profile on the top right corner where you can manage your profiles. If I click on settings here, so there you will have different options, like you can upgrade, then you can import cloud photos and files from here, then you can get to OneDrive apps, and also you can change language from here. Okay, so these were the settings. Now if I move my cursor to the left side, so there we have create or upload option. Simply click on this option here, and now click on file upload. You can also upload a whole folder. I will go with upload file. So from here you can simply choose the data that you want to upload here and click on open. Now you will find this media in your my files option. So click on my files to view is it uploaded or not. So this is how you can set OneDrive for Windows 11. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.